How to transfer photos from Android to iPhone or iPhone to Android. There are many ways to do it. In this video, we're going to talk about 2 apps that you can do it with. First is you want to go to the App Store and download Share It. Share It is an app which is available in both iOS devices and Android devices. It is the app through which you'll be able to transfer photos and videos from Android to iOS and vice versa, or the same devices, Android to Android and iOS to iOS. So how do you share it? I'm going to give a brief explanation about it. Just want to select the picture or the file or folder, videos, songs, whatever things that you want to share, and then you want to tap on send, and it will allow you to scan and connect devices with others, and just like that you want to share. And the other thing you can use is Sender app, which can also be downloaded through App Store. Now how you can use it is you want to tap on receive even if you want to send the photos or the files while connecting it with Android. So what you want to do is you want to tap on the crisscross arrow button in the middle of the screen in the bottom, then you want to tap on receive. Then you want to go ahead and tap on connect Android. Then it will scan the device that we want to connect with, and then after it is connected, we're going to go to the images and select the image, that is photos that we want to share, and then simply tap on send. And that is how we can transfer photos from Android to iPhone and iPhone to Android. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I really hope this video helped you out.